Our university partnership enable Gammal Tech students to have scholarship in these universities, and university student can have internship in Gammal Tech. So this way we make a win-win situation. My name is Zahar. I'm working in Gammal Tech business development department, especially in partnerships.
Could you provide an overview of your responsibilities here in Gammal Tech?
Yes, in my role, I concentrate on partnership with companies and universities to bring valuable connections for our graduates.
Okay, so your main or your major concentration is about Gammal Tech graduates to get a good connection for them, right?
Okay.
How do you identify the suitable organizations?
Firstly, we try to find well-established company that have a positive work environment. The goal is to make a partnership that open door for Gammal Tech graduates to have good internship in these estimated companies.
What about the age considerations? So if I was 40 years old, is it good for me or to involve in this program?
This program focused on persons aged 18 and below. They have quick learning phase, and people that have 40 years.
Okay, so you're saying that if you're 18, so you're in learning phase.
Yes, yes.
Okay? And if you're 40, you're like in working phase.
These people already established their career, and they can feel that this program is not suitable for them.
Moving into the university partnership you told me about, there is two types of partnerships, university and companies. So could you elaborate more about the benefits for students in this collaboration, university partnership?
Our university partnership enable Gammal Tech students to have scholarship in these universities, and university student can have internship in Gammal Tech. So this way we make a win-win situation.
Okay, so but how does this collaboration benefit Gammal Tech graduates in terms of their careers?
University cares about their success, and Gammal Tech teaches university curriculum.
Okay,
that's why when you apply to university choose you because you must be successful anyway.
Okay, so it's like a win-win situation. When you involve in the college or university, you will learn it again. So you are good at it actually, so you won't be headache in the
and you will know the curriculum better than other students.
Is this program just here in Egypt or?
No, we have subscribers from around the world, and everyone can study in our courses and have benefits from them.
So lastly, how do you address situations where the content provided by Gammal Tech doesn't match the needs of a particular company?
This partnership already helps us to understand the specific needs of companies and help us to provide qualified individuals that meet the requirements of companies. And this ensure a match between our graduate and the future needs of their employment.
Okay, so Zakar, we are finished. Thank you so much for this informative talk, and it was very nice to have you here and to have you for sure at Gammal Tech. Thank you so much.
Thank you too. Nice to meet you.